In front of me is OnePlus Nord 6, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off location. Firstly, go into Tap menu. To do that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Now, look for Location shortcut. Once you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine turned grey with a white icon. That means that location is off, but you can always switch it on by tapping on the same shortcut until it's white with a blue icon. If you want to, you can also go into Settings, scroll to click on Location section available here, and then use this switcher next to Use Location to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!